Tileyard Impact has really helped me in my music career and journey. It's taught me a lot about the industry, that it's a who you know's business, it's all about networking and just being in the right place at the right time.
Today we're launching Tileyard Impact, which is a scheme for young people to bridge the gap. I actually got interested in sound tech when I was like 14. It was amazing to have someone that trusted me and believed in me enough to let me touch their equipment and learn on the job. It gives you that opportunity to really get in and get stuck in and meet people.
There remains a gap. There's this gap between creative skills building and learning and study and creative careers. And over the last 9 months, what we've been doing and piloting here is doing work experiences.
We're very, very passionate about giving opportunities to young people and to talent. We're very much about community. We're all about people. It's a very human thing, Talia. We're in a world now that's increasingly sort of digital, which is great, and there's a place for that. But I think Tileyard is a place, it's about people. It's about people and giving those people opportunities to thrive.
When they're younger, they're desperate to be artists, be in bands, be producers. And something I never realised when I was younger, and friends of mine too, is that there's a lot more to the music industry than just being an artist.
When we had the students come in and look around, they all just seemed really keen and they were asking questions, and I was like, oh yeah, I was in that position. It felt really strange because I had someone else that was standing up there, now I'm that person.
Wiz is really good at teaching young people, like making those connections, but then also just grabbing opportunities. You just got to say yes and take them. And yeah, ever since then, things have just been moving.
Quite special, I feel like, because of all the facilities they give. They don't really have any places like this elsewhere in Islington, so like it's quite hard to find a place where you can record stuff and have practice spaces and like have facilities where you can mix in things.
Tileyard asked us to perform at their Tileyard Impact launch today, which we've been practicing for a few weeks, and we're excited to see where it goes.
We're actually performing a song that we recorded just around the corner in the studios, at Tileyard Studios.
I'm wearing the devil's jumper, but in a better way. Don't believe in the supernatural, but you found me anyway. I know you're feeling something.
I'm gonna do my latest single, which is coming out tomorrow on all digital platforms, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I feel like Tileyard Impact is something that is necessary for young people that are trying to get themselves out there. A lot of people want to do music, they want to do things in the creative industries, but they don't have any real like backdoor or like any real access to these opportunities. And something like Tileyard Impact is kind of there to kind of bridge the gap between the industry and the people that want to be a part of the industry.
When I feel you want my body, you know.
Here in Islington, where the Tileyard is based, it's one of the main boroughs in the country that has the biggest difference between those who are wealthy and those who are in poverty. So as a industrial estate of really successful businesses, we want to make sure that we're at the front of trying to bridge that gap and make sure that those who don't normally get access to the opportunities get to benefit from these amazing facilities. So we've been working with youth groups, colleges, estates that are around us to make sure that the young people in Islington get access to these great recording studios, artists, workshops, and businesses so that they can fulfill their creative promise.